I just completed a program by LetItGoDiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks. Welcome everyone to Let It Go. We are on day 19. Day 19, I'm down in weight, my pain is way down, everything is going great. This smoothie is called Popeye Gone Banana Smoothie. Popeye was what? Strong, right? Popeye was apparently strong. Cartoon character, but hey, he was a strong one. He had big forearms. Wait until you hear the ingredients in the Popeye Gone Bananas smoothie, and you're gonna realize, wow, okay, this is packed with some strong nutrients. 1 banana frozen, it's all chopped up, but anyway, 1 banana frozen, 2 cups of loosely packed spinach, a half a cup of carrots, preferably shredded, 2 tablespoons of hemp protein, 3 teaspoons of turmeric. I'm using some powder and some fresh. Can't go wrong. If you don't mind adding extra turmeric in, do it. It's good for you, reduces inflammation. It's helping me. I go overboard with it. That's 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of coconut flakes. God's candy, nature's candy. 1 cup of water and a cup of ice. The nutritional tidbit. Hemp protein powder is a plant-based protein powder that contains all the essential amino acids. This is right from the Let It Go book. Hemp seeds are also a good source of healthy fat. Start over. A nutritional tidbit right out of the Let It Go Diet 21-Day Planner, page 46. Hemp protein powder is a plant-based protein powder that contains all of the essential amino acids. Hemp seeds are also a good source of healthy fatty acids, which may reduce, which they do reduce, inflammation and reduce the risk of heart disease. So, that is the Popeye Gone Bananas smoothie. Make the jump, do the 21 days. Remember, you don't have to go to LetItGoDiet.com and download the book. It might be a small fee for it. We had to make one. It took 3 months to put it together. We got to carry the website, etc. Follow the YouTube videos. The full 21 days are here. I know for a fact there's people out there that work out every day, and congrats, man. I mean, I give you guys a lot of praise, those who are dedicated working out. Take some time to eat raw for 21 days. Back off on the working out just a little bit so you're not going as heavy or as strong. Watch weight just come off you that you didn't know was there. All right, let's get started. I'm glad you guys are here. I hope you're day 19. You should be feeling better, looking better, and also shedding some pounds. Oh, and I forgot to mention, 1 orange juiced. Hey, pepper's out. If you follow the videos, you understand why. Do you want to take a guess why? Why is the pepper out? We're going to add it into the smoothie. You do that when you're using turmeric to help break down turmeric so your body can use the micronutrients and metabolize the turmeric to help reduce inflammation in your body. Pepper is the catalyst to make that happen. It's a little secret. You don't have to add a lot. Watch towards the end. Okay. 1 banana, frozen. 2 cups of spinach. Can you believe we're going to drink spinach? It's unreal. Make sure you have a good blender. This has a lot of horsepower. You can do it with a regular household blender. Better if you have a blender that has more horsepower and is a good emulsifier. Just really gets things. Half a cup of carrots. 1 orange squeezed. Yum, yum. Interesting. I'm telling you, man, this is packed with nutrients. 2 tablespoons or 2 scoopfuls of hemp protein. This has 19 grams of protein, so it's not bad. It's pretty good. Alright, 3 teaspoons of the turmeric powder. Well, I don't have much left, but there's a few teaspoons in there. And I'm going to drop in, an inch of fresh turmeric as well. Next up is a tablespoon of, man, this is nature's candy right here. Coconut flakes. 1 tablespoon. Yum, 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 yum. And a cup of water and a cup of ice. If you need more water, just add it in. Sometimes a cup is not enough, depending how much spinach you really put in there. I already have a feeling we're going to need more water. Let's give it a whirl. Lid on, hold it down, don't lose your cap from flying off. Got to add the pepper. A little bit of pepper. Alright, we'll let that settle just for a second. And we will give it taste live on video. This is Popeye Gone Bananas. Man, and I'll tell you, look at the green. It's a bright green smoothie. Can't wait to taste it. It's better than you think. It is way better than you think. Packed with nutrients, good for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. Stronger already. See you next time. Have a good night. Have a good morning. Tomorrow we're juicing all day long. It's called the Fen Apple Juice. It is delicious. Lots of apples, lots of fennel, lots of cucumbers. Peace.